Just popping in here to share something interesting with you all on the YouTube community. Something that I found very illuminating. So here's my equity curve up until the 1st of May. This is when I introduced order flow into my trading. I started to document. You see here my 1st of May 2017 folder. You can see me. I've got some annotations here of things I was looking at with regards to order flow, and if you go back in videos you'll hear me that back at that time I had just introduced this to my trading in pursuit of improving it. So that's where I was on the 1st of May. Now this, let's just mark that. So this is what my equity curve looked like the 1st of May. Then now I'm going to pause the video and show you what it looked like on the 16th of May. So here's the 16th of May, and this is where I was. So in the time that I introduced order flow, this is what happened. And I ended here. A little negative from where I started. Several trades, let me just see how many trades. Yeah, 2 weeks and 33 trades later, I had gone nowhere. Lower highs, lower lows, but basically sideways chop. So that's those 2 weeks. Now let's fast forward to where I am now. And I kid you not, this is where we are now, up here. So what does this tell you? Trading without order flow, higher highs, higher lows, bit of a pullback, lack of confidence, introduce order flow here, chop. Get rid of order flow here, move up to highs, and we are now at account highs, 950, just over 2 months into this combine. So what's my point here? Don't introduce things, even if they should improve your trading, or they add value. Value is no good unless it's a tested idea. So seeing as I don't have the confidence and I haven't tested it, confidence is important, because if you can't act on what you're doing properly, then it's not going to fulfill its purpose. And also it wasn't tested. So I was testing within this account, which is fine, but that's the result I got. Lack of confidence, no testing, did this. 33 trades. Since then, I can't remember how many trades I've taken, but you can just look down here and it's like 20. So 20 trades to do that, 33 to do this with order flow, and then like about 60 to do this. So I don't think that's coincidence. Of course, we'll never know, but I'm going to just continue doing what I'm doing. And I literally haven't opened a time and sales chart. If you look down here, you'll see that I don't even have it open in this workspace. So I eliminated that, let go of the perceived value, and just got on with what I did last year to get funded, and this is the result. So I'm going to continue doing that. Today was an up day. I had 4 up days this week and 1 down day. A nice sort of good week, like by no means great by anyone else's standards, but I'm measuring against my own, and against my own it was a good week. Yeah, looking at the control center, I see that's my 2nd best week ever. So that's great. And what else is there to say? If we look at the basic stats, you can see I'm starting to level out. I've been watching the win rate and loss rate bounce around, and we seem to be gravitating towards roughly a 2 to 1, 40% of the time, or just under 40, and that leaves me with a 0.1576% expectancy. So that's all great, really. There's nothing else to add. I'm just going to continue doing more of what I'm doing. As far as spreadsheet or scorecards are concerned, so these are the hardcore numbers, and then this is the more esoteric kind of psychological based stuff, and I'm keeping an eye on that. I've also coded or added a number so that I can see visually what I need to work on, and of course it doesn't come as any surprise to me that my focus and energy is slightly subpar because my bedtime isn't consistent yet. Although I have had good quality sleep, it's a bit on the late side, and that means once I get up and do all what I need to do, my ability to monitor the market is poor. So I'm missing a lot of opportunity in the morning, and also not having a great amount of focus and energy level due to my sleep not quite being regimented. Confidence, it could be improved. Exits are a little on the poor side as well. And then regrets, I do have some regrets throughout the week, although I think every trader does, but I think that's tied into my confidence. And then the big one is emotional control. And I don't think that one's going anywhere anytime soon, but perhaps I'm being a little hard on myself, but I want to improve this, so I'm lovingly trying to nurture this number and get it up. And I do think I've improved, so probably it was a bit lower than this, actually. And so regrets, fair enough, but I think confidence, where I'm going to put my effort, because performance follows from preparation. So literally all I need to do is work on getting to bed earlier so that I can improve my focus and energy level, and most importantly, be in front of the charts for some of the morning session, if not all the morning session. I've basically missed everything in the AM in the last several days, or almost 2 weeks, so hence the 2.2 and the poor score there. And that's it really. Exits are coming from a place of missing out in the morning, I think, but I need to collect more evidence for that. So my focus next week will simply be getting to bed earlier, getting up earlier, and having more time in front of the market, and then continue to do what I've been doing. So that's it for now, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye for now.